Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to contact McDonald's customer support. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so probably the best and quickest way to do this is to open up Google Maps and find the McDonald's where you've bought food from. So for this demonstration, I'm going to open up Google Maps. Now I'm going to type in McDonald's, and now I'm going to see locations in my area. And for this demonstration, so if I zoom in here and I bought McDonald's over in Mount Barker. So what I want to do is click on the McDonald's in Mount Barker. And now we've got these different options here. You've got direction, start order, call. Go ahead and click on call, and that's going to call that store directly. And then from there, say you'd like to speak to their customer service or customer support and have a chat with them, or ask if there's a customer support email you can get from them, so then you can shoot them an email.